loading means x equal to 0.7 and half loading means x equal to 0.5. Clear? And if this numerical is clear, no one can हेलो
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, कोई तो है चैट बॉक्स में. ठीक है ओके. हाँ, सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, yes, if you can list out the data and the find thing in this way, you are there to get full marks. Okay, chalo, let's start with the solution. Ravi, fatafat now assist me in the solution.
Yes, sir.
First, what is to find? इसको मैं 1 2 3 नंबर दे देता हूँ. ठीक है. ए वोल्टेज रेशियो पूछा है ना.
Yes, sir.
क्या करें बताओ.
Voltage ratio. Sir, अपना वही V1 by V2.
Correct, V1 by V2. No Shreyas, V1 by V2, it means what? Ratio matlab should be fraction value. Yes, okay. V1 is how much? 220 divided by V2 is how much?
Sir, V2 है 110.
It means how much is the voltage ratio?
एक मिनट सर.
बाप रे, कितना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन है ना. कैलकुलेटर पे कर रहे हो?
दो
डायरेक्टली 2 ना.
हाँ
11
सर.
0 0 cancel, 11 2s are 22. Okay, now can you, Ravi, with this data, can you tell me whether it is a step up transformer or step down transformer?
एक मिनट सर. सर ये
एडिशनली पूछ रहा हूं मैं.
स्टेप डाउन है सर.
Yes, correct, क्योंकि V1 is more compared to V2.
हाँ सर बराबर.
Clear? Okay, good. So VR we people have estimated. Hello.
Yes sir.
We have to find N2 now.
Yes,
How to
sir.
find N2? Can you tell me?
N2.
Hmm.
सर ये दिया है ना सर वोल्टेज रेशियो, तो उससे मिल सकता है ना.
Correct. N2 by N1 equal to V2 by V1 होता है ना.
Yes sir.
Okay. So here N2 is how much? We have to find it.
Find out.
Okay. V2 is how much?
V2 is सर मिल गया है सर. वो V2 by V1 का तो 2 ही आएगा ना उधर.
अरे बाबा, ये V1 by V2 है वोल्टेज.
ओके सॉरी.
जल्दी जल्द कर रहे हो, जल्दबाजी.
सर 110 divided by 220.
Yes अनिकेत, हाँ yes, 110 divided by 220 into N1 रह गया ना.
N1 हाँ सर
100. Okay, so tell me how much is the number of turns of secondary.
100.
ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल है आपको एग्जाम में, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, न्यूमेरिकल्स आर important. 50. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Next, tell me. So we have estimated this part also. Let's move towards the I1FL and I2FL.
Yes sir. I1FL is equals to kVA into 1000 divided by V1.
Correct. So kVA is how much given? 1.5
1.5
into 1000 divided by V1 is how much? 220. So find out I1FL. Find it out on the calculator, student.
6.81.
Do it fatafat.
6.81.
Okay, good. 6.81 ampere. Don't forget to give the unit. Okay.
Yes sir.
Similarly, I2FL will be what? kVA into 1000 by V2.
0.061.
Let us check it together. 1.5 into 1000 divided by 110. How much it is? Just find it out and tell me. Yes, correct Shreyas, correct Ashish.
0.061.
Nahi, again gadbad. Everybody is giving different answers in the chat box and the answer is 13.63. यहाँ पर क्रॉस चेक भी होता है इमीडिएटली. V2 छोटा है तो ऑब्वियसली उसका करंट ज्यादा होगा V1 से. थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर आंसरिंग.
Yes sir.
हाँ, so 13.63 is the answer that everybody is giving. Clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, now the main point. So what we have estimated, I1 is done, I2 is done. Okay.
Yes sir.
Now we have to move towards the efficiency point. Tell me the formula of efficiency. अब यहाँ पर गड़बड़ नहीं करना, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, मुझे ठीक से बताओ परसेंटेज एफिशिएंसी का फॉर्मूला पहले.
Percentage efficiency. sir,
नहीं.
x
हाँ.
kVA into 10 raised to 3 cos phi
हम्म.
divided by
हम्म.
x kVA
हम्म.
10 into 10 raised to 3 cos phi plus
हम्म.
pi
हम्म.
plus x raised to 3.
ए, एक स्क्वायर ऑफ द करंट, कॉपर
Sorry,
लॉस है वो.
sorry, yeah.
एक स्क्वायर मैंने
X
बोला
square,
है.
yes sir, into copper loss into 100.
ओके.
Yes sir,
फर्स्ट कंडीशन व्हाट इज बीन गिवन, x इज इक्वल टू फुल लोड कंडीशन दिया है
yes sir, x is equals
1.
to 1.
ओके.
Yes
विथ
sir,
cos phi is how much?
cos phi दिया है sir 0.8.
करेक्ट. पी कितना दिया है, ऑलरेडी दिया है फर्स्ट पेज पे आपको पी.
Yes sir, 32.
यस. आणि पीसीयू एफएल.
क्या सर PFL दिया है 44.
करेक्ट. गुड. ओके. So tell me now, percentage efficiency is how much? How can you find?
Percentage sir 1.5. ये 1 तो सर काउंट नहीं होगा ना.
नहीं होगा.
1.5
हाँ.
into 10 raised to 3
हम्म.
into 0.8 cos
Correct.
हाँ 0.8 बराबर.
हाँ. आगे बोलो.
और 1.5
ओके.
into 10 raised to 3
हम्म.
0.8 plus 32
हम्म.
plus 1 in 1 raised to 2 44 into 44.
Yes. Take your time and solve it and tell me the percentage efficiency. Take your time. By that time, others can answer in the chat box. We will cross verify it. No, Aditya, you haven't not multiplied it by 100. It means that should not be the answer. Sorry. Yes, that is the expected answer actually. Let's see if everyone is getting the same or not. No, Yashdeep, what is this? Yashdeep, just think, can 15 will be the efficiency? No, efficiency should be more towards the 100. आइडियली 100% होती है तो प्रैक्टिकली कम होगी, तो वो भी इतना कम नहीं. 15 तो ट्रांसफॉर्मर फेंक देना पड़ेगा बेटा अपने को. सोचो ना ये चीज. एफिशिएंसी इज वन ऑफ द मेजर ऑन विच योर ट्रांसफॉर्मर इज सिलेक्टेड. अगर एफिशिएंसी
4.04.
correct, very good, everybody has given the same answer in the chat box, but majority students says only 94, but that is not expected. 94.04 is what is the expected answer. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, now tell me the second case.
Second case sir. हाँ sir. X will be 0.7.
हाँ.
0.8 cos phi.
Correct. So what can I write here? 0.7
into 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.8 sir.
Good.
Divided
Then?
by 0. Into 100, then divide by 0.7 into 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.8 plus 32 plus sir.
Now this is
0.7
important.
the whole square.
0.7 square.
Yes sir. Into 44.
Yes. Take your time. Find out the efficiency. Take your time and find it. By that time, I'm just writing the last case. Always remember, students, the efficiency should be towards 90 side. श्रेयस कंप्लीट दो मुझे आंसर. प्रणेश, I think you are wrong, beta. Anup, no. Let me see what is the answers which are coming out.
91.65.
How much?
91.65.
अरे ये तो आंसर एक ही बंदे ने दिया है चैट बॉक्स में, बाकी सब तो अलग ही बोल रहे कुछ. Students, I'm asking about second case, not first case. You are still giving me the same answer, I believe. Oh, Ganesh, again, what is this? 24.68. It can't be the efficiency. फेंक देना पड़ेगा बेटा ट्रांसफार्मर अपने को. 90, 80 के बिलो एक्सेप्टेड ही नहीं है मुझे एफिशिएंसी ट्रांसफार्मर की. 80, 75 एट द मैक्स 75. बहुत पुराना अगर ट्रांसफार्मर हो गया तो उसकी एफिशिएंसी आती है 75, 78. बिकॉज रिमेंबर एफिशिएंसी कम है, इसका मतलब ट्रांसफार्मर काम नहीं कर रहा अच्छे से. Everybody is giving us different answer, Ravi. I don't know. Because only Ojas and your answer is matching 91 point something. Rest all are saying 94 only. Can you just check it once?
Yes, sir, I'm checking it.
Yes, please. And by that time, do the last one. Do the last one, 0.5. Others, I think you are saying it is correct. Okay, let's see. ये क्या है साहिल रोडे? 179%. 100 के ऊपर एफिशिएंसी जा ही नहीं सकती. लिमिट के ऊपर कैसे जा रहे हो? 100% इज द मैक्सिमम. मतलब आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर की एफिशिएंसी 100 होती है, उसके ऊपर कैसे जा सकता है?
यस सर, 94 आ रहा है.
.94 आ रहा है.
यस सर.
ओके, गुड. डू द लास्ट वन और लेट मी आस्क समवन इन द चैट बॉक्स. यूएस का भी नहीं होता 100 के ऊपर ऋषिकेश. यूएस भी वर्ल्ड का ही पार्ट है. एफिशिएंसी 100 के ऊपर कैसे हो सकती है किसी भी चीज की? इसका मतलब सोचो कि आउटपुट बड़ा आता है क्या इनपुट से? ऐसे कभी हुआ? मतलब मैंने 25 मार्क का पढ़ाया आपको और आपको 30 मार्क्स मिले एग्जाम में. ओके, दिस कांट बी पॉसिबल. एफिशिएंसी कांट गो बियॉन्ड 100 बेटा. Efficiency, yes, if maximum students are giving the same answer, and that this thing I accept that the efficiency is 93.31% for half load condition. Just check it, Ravi, just check karna.
Yes sir.
Yes, the last answer is 93.31, what I'm getting here in the chat box by every one of you.
Yes sir, 93.31.
Okay, good. Students, Ravi, on behalf of your class, do you agree now? You are confident enough to solve the numericals of transformer?
Yes sir.
इसी टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम में होंगे. Let me just share one more time the screen with you so that we can just check if either of the point we people are missing. So this was the third numerical that we have solved. Just a minute. क्या हो गया इसका? हाँ, third one that we have solved is this. अभी जो सॉल्व किया. Fourth one is this. Can you just read फटाफट?
एक मिनट. हाँ सर. 2 kilowatt. 2 kVA, sorry sir. 2 kVA 220 by 110 volt 50 hertz single phase transformer has iron loss 330.
अरे माय बाबा, 30 watt है ये, 330 नहीं.
हाँ सॉरी, 30 watt and a full load copper loss of 40 watt. हाँ, voltage ratio sir same ही है.
Exactly. Only the values are different. Please take it as a homework. Take a screenshot and put it on our circle group as a homework. Okay?
Yes sir.
Fine. So you just have to solve this as a homework. Next one, let me check if there is anything else which is remaining. Yes, can you just read it out once and we'll solve this and then we'll stop. Okay?
A single phase 50 hertz.
अभी मैं किसी और को नहीं पूछता हूँ, आप ही के साथ कंटिन्यू करते हैं. फिफ्थ न्यूमेरिकल. Okay?
Yes sir.
Fifth one, the given data. Yes, tell me, and this is the only now which is remaining type, else everything is same. Tell me.
A single phase
correct
50 hertz transformer has 300 primary turns.
Means how much? Wait. Means what is given symbolically?
N1 and N2 sir दिया है. N1 है 300 और N2 है 750.
Okay.
Sir, net cross section area of a core is 64.
Means
A ना sir.
Correct. 64 centimeter square दिया है. क्या is it acceptable? Is it in SI unit? No. Centimeter square दिया है. You want it in meter square area. So क्या करेंगे रवि?
64 into 10 raised to 2 ना sir.
रवि क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? 10 रेस सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर कैसे करते हैं? टेल मी फर्स्ट.
-2 सर.
हाँ, और उसका स्क्वायर मींस
-4.
obviously. Don't please
स्क्वायर है.
do the things properly. So 64 into 10 raised to -4 meter square is what is the expected. किसका प्रैक्टिकल है अभी रवि?
मेघना मैम का है.
हाँ, मेघना मैडम, एक 2 minutes just give it to me. मेघना मैडम आहेत का? त्रिपाठी सर के नाम से कोई तो ज्वाइन हुआ. Okay, I don't know. Someone else must be joining with the name of Tripathi sir. Okay, fine. So area should be 64 into 10 raised to -4. Don't do this mistake. Everyone just make a note of this. Area is given 64 centimeter square. You want it in meter square. So 64 into 10 raised to -4 meter square.
Yes sir.
Okay, ICP का प्रैक्टिकल ले रहे हैं क्या फिर अभी? शेख मैडम ठीक है, एक मिनट. लेट मी जस्ट मेक हर co-host. Madam, can you just reply? Madam? Hello? Madam, I have made you co-host. Hello? Hello, madam? Hello? No, I think someone else has joined with the name of... ठीक है, जाने दो. We'll continue. Let's see if the faculty joins. Okay, so area is 64 centimeter square. To convert it into meter square, 64 into 10 raised to -4 meter square. Huh? Ravi?
Yes sir.
Okay. If the primary induced EMF is 440.
E1 दिया है ना सर?
हाँ?
E1 दिया है.
Very good. E1 is 400 volt. Okay?
Yes sir.
Yes. And to find is what?
Maximum flux.
Means what?
Sir 5 m.
Very good. What else?
एक मिनट लंबा सर.
हाँ.
Maximum flux density in core.
Means?
Phi.
Flux density is indicated by which symbol? Flux density.
B.
Yes, BM. Maximum
Yeah.
flux density. BM.
हाँ,
Okay.
sir.
EMF induced in the secondary means what is asked is
E2.
E2. Very good. So let's solve it fast.
Yes sir.
Yes, tell me how to solve this.
सर पहले तो हम लोग को सर वो EMF.
Correct. EMF क्या है वो? E1 is equal to
4.44.
correct
into 5 m Fn.
1.
हाँ N1.
Huh? What you want is phi m. So what it will be? Phi m is equal to E1 divided by
4.44 into 50. हाँ sir.
Getting my point?
Yes sir.
Understanding? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So phi m. Now E1 is been given to you. How much it is?
400.
Correct. Divided by 4.44 into frequency is how much given?
50.
Very good. N1 is given. How much it is?
N1 है 300.
Correct. So just do this calculations and tell me phi m. Mehzabin ma'am.
6 sir. 6.
Hello Mehzabin madam. Madam, have you joined the meeting by the Tripathi sir's name? Mehzabin madam. Hello. Ravi, 1 minute. Let me sort this. Just a minute. Let it be. Madam, if you are there, please reply. No, madam, you are not audible. Yes, Ravi, what is the answer?
Sir, 6.006 into 10 raised to -3 it's coming.
6.006. So you can just make it 6 into 10 raised to -3
Yes,
Weber, or can you write it as 6 milliweber? Ravi?
Okay, sir. हाँ, sir.
Getting my point? 10
Yes.
raised to -3 it is, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now phi m we have estimated. Tell me how to estimate bm.
सर BM ना सर वही फॉर्मूले में सिर्फ 5M की जगह सर
वो फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज करना है? वी नो ना, सिंस maximum flux density bm is equal
हाँ
to phi m by a. We
ओके
know
हाँ
this.
हाँ हाँ सर
Okay, Mehzabin madam, I'm just making you okay.
यस सर
Just a minute. हाँ रवि बोलो तब तक. Phi m is how much? You have estimated phi m 6 into
6
10
into
raised to
10 raised
minus
to
3
minus 3
divided by 64 into 10 raised
64
to.
into 10 raised to minus 4
Yes. Tell me.
सर एक मिनट का सर
हाँ, take your time. Madam, if I'll make you host, no, then I can't get the answers students are posting in the chat box. So just last bit it is. I'll just fill this blank and then I will make you host.
सर 0.
Rushikesh, your answer is commendable. Very good. Rushikesh Zadav. Yes.
0.093 into 10 raised to minus 1 सर
Yes.
0.0093
एक minute. Once again, there is one requirement in the chat box. Yes, madam, I have made you co-host. Yes.
सर 93 आएगा सर
क्या 93? 0.9375 बोल रहे सब लोग.
हाँ सर 0.93 सॉरी
Again mistake. 0.9375. Tell me the unit.
सर वेबर
क्या कर रहे हो रवि? Phi is in Weber.
Excuse
Area
me,
is in. Yes, madam.
सर अभी मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
वेबर
अभी
में
बिल्कुल आ रही मैडम.
हाँ ठीक है सर.
ये लास्ट बिट था.
Wait, you complete your example,
Completed.
sir.
Yes, madam. Yes. Unit is phi m is in Weber. Area is in meter square. Ravi, what
Yes.
you are doing? Weber per meter square. Or what is the other form of the unit? It is also called as Tesla. It
Tesla.
means you people are studying just for a moment of exam. This has been already taken number of times in unit number 3, Weber per meter square, or it is also called as Tesla.
Yes, sir.
So BM also we have estimated. Last point is E2. Tell me how to find E2.
N2 divided by N1 is equals to E2 divided by E1.
Okay, good. So E2 will be what?
750 into 400 divided by 300.
Okay. And what is E2 then?
Yes, sir.
E2.
1000.
Is it the thing that everyone is getting? Unit? Unit?
हाँ sir.
Unit of E2?
Sir.
What is the unit of E2?
Sir.
Ravi, are you there? What is E by the way?
EMF.
So EMF is unit is?
क्या है sir? हाँ वो.
My God, अभी 10 मिनट पहले let me just show you. लिया तो multiple times है, but यहाँ पर भी दिखाया था. The unit of EMF is volt. Unit 1 से पढ़ रहे हैं हम. We are studying this right from unit number 1. EMF, electromotive force, and even in your 12th you must have studied this. EMF is 1000 and unit is volt. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Ravi, सबसे पहला काम lecture होने के बाद मैडम का भी. What you have to do? Change the display pic that you have that you're using.
हाँ yes sir, yes sir.
Huh. Okay, so with this students, I have finished up with all the types of possible numericals on this unit, and officially we can say we have finished up your unit number 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just have the revision. I'll post all the screenshots on the group. You just have to revise all the things, and one homework is already given and one will be given as an exercise again. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now with this, I'll stop here. Madam.